I'm going to be so honest with you guys. If you're not bullish on Toshi, you're probably doing something wrong because this is the face of all base meme coins. And if I know you guys watching right now, I know you hold some type of base ecosystem play. And if you're not confident that Toshi is going to do well and you're holding that base play, I hate to break it to you, but those base memes are basking on the success that Toshi does well. If you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. We talk about crypto every single day, guys. I try to help you make the next 10, 20, 50, 100, or even, 500,000 next gem, whatever it may be. We've done it before, so it's not far-fetched for me to say that. If you guys appreciate the type of content, all I ask in return is that you guys subscribe, hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload it, you get a little, you get a little alert to your phone right away or your TV, wherever you guys watch it. If you watch it in your main family house TV, like props to you guys. I know some people do that and they go full screen. Kind of intimidating, guys, but I also like the video so that it pushes it out to more people on the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, family, let's get straight into today's video. What we like to do is, let me get comfortable here. We like to start off by taking a review on CoinMarketCap. You can see in the last month, Toshi 49.5% run. A lot of people in the Discord have been asking me, Ro, what are your updates on Toshi? Where do you think this thing is going to go? And hey, honestly, solid play, right? This is one of the more risk-averse plays. When I say risk-averse, what does that mean? It means that there's a lower potential in how much money you can make, but there is also a lower risk involved with this play. So in the last 7 days, we're up 35%. And in the last 7 days, guys, up 7%. Volume has been skyrocketing. Volume is up 91%. It has been crushing it. This is a very good sign. This means that a lot of people are, jumping into markets right now. A lot of people are putting their money and parking it within Toshi. And $56 million in trading volume on a $330 million market cap play is crazy, right? That is literally like what? Almost 20% of the market cap. So shout out to the community. Shout out to everyone that's holding Toshi. You guys deserve it. And you guys have been showing me so much love in these videos. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, Toshi fam, if you haven't already heard it, I just want to say thank you for everything. If you guys could take a moment out of your day to please subscribe and hit the bell, because that would mean a lot. There's not a lot of people talking about Toshi on YouTube, and I wouldn't consider myself a big YouTuber by any stretch of the imagination. But whatever we could do to spread the news about Toshi to the retail masses, every subscribe, every like, it does help out, right? So please do that if you haven't already. If you go over to the website, I talk about this literally all the time. And one of the biggest reasons that I talked about Toshi, quite a bit in the past. And if you guys know who I am, I talk about Turbo every single day, right? I upload 2-3 videos a day, and one of those videos is always a Turbo video. And with the love that Toshi community has been showing me, it might just turn into a Toshi upload every single day as well. The thing is with Toshi, it's a lot newer. It's grassroots, very similar to Turbo. They both have very similar come ups, guys. And honestly, Toshi, I feel like, has honestly just scratched the tip of the iceberg. When that Coinbase announcement came out, it rallied from 130 million to like very close to 940 million. And in our private Discord, we literally called the exact buy and the exact sell for that level. And right now, it might just be your last chance to load up on this project. While we're still early, you can see a crazy $10,000 buy-in just came, a 4.8K buy-in just came. Whales are accumulating, and the biggest reason for that is, guys, Ethereum is pumping. You can see Ethereum dominance is sitting at 13%. In the last 7 days, ETH itself is up 15%. Bitcoin is climbing again. Literally earlier today, Bitcoin is sitting at around 121K. So I don't want you guys to miss out. This may just be your final opportunity to actually load up on some of these projects at a very low price, at discount. Now, family, one thing I do want to say is, if you haven't already, look, I know they changed the layout on WAP. If you haven't checked out the Memecoin Mastery, excuse me, it is $97 a month, 997 one-time payment. Here's the thing, guys. Okay, you literally get access to all of my buy and sell calls, which in the private Discord, they have been crushing it. People have made 20K in the last month. Some people turning $100 accounts into over 10,000. Some people turning $600 into over 3,000. Some people making 38K accidentally. Okay, people are crushing it. And with the way the community is growing right now, I really don't want you guys to miss it and not be a part of it. So click the link in the description, join, be a part of it, guys. There is a support group of people who are all trying to help you guys achieve those goals, that time, mental, location, and financial freedom. That is what everyone is after. And I always like to say, you are the average of the people that you spend the most amount of time with. Also, if you're a God-fearing person and you want to be a part of a community, there's people that are from the faith in there as well. Great people, guys, pastors in there as well. So, hey, if that's something that you're interested in, check it out. Link in the description. And like I was saying, guys, what I really want to see for Toshi short term, this is the daily chart. Okay, this is the first time we've broken above it, broken above or had a close above this support or this resistance area since literally May. Okay, so this is the first time we had a close above the resistance since May. What we could see happen is a little cool down in the market, right? Because this week was super hot. We might see a retracement to this level, solidify it as a very strong support area, meaning that when we come back down to that $300 million mark, you're going to see a lot of bulls step in. You're going to see a lot of buy orders come in, and that is going to help the price move upward. We don't really have any resistance from this area up until about, to be completely honest with you, up until about 600 million. We don't have too much resistance, family, okay? And if Ethereum continues to rally, if the overall narrative for crypto is hot, it's bullish, then hey, Toshi's going to continue to pump. Now, the thing is, Toshi, guys, I need you guys to be following them on X. Stay up to date with the latest information about this project. You guys heard that the Binance listing came out, Binance Alpha listing, and Binance US. I don't think you guys understand how important or how impactful a Binance US listing is, okay? It's easier to get listed on, the overall global Binance exchange than it is to get listed on Binance US. There's so much regulatory kind of compliances that you need to meet in order to do that. They also have gone ahead and updated Toshi Mart, which is super cool. They said they were going to do this a while ago, or a couple days ago, sorry, and they actually stuck to it and they done that. The Toshi Mart upgrade is live. Launch, trade, and earn seamlessly on Farcaster and Base app. The Toshi flywheel is now in motion. If you don't know what Toshi Mart is, guys, it is literally like a you could launch your own base meme coin on there. They have upgraded. It does look pretty cool. You guys can see newly created pairs that are graduating, pairs that have gone ahead and got listed on Coinbase. These are all the ones that are over here. So check them out. Check out the Toshi Mart if that is something that you guys are interested in. Be careful though. It is a very degen space. Breaking, Wall Street might have just found its first meme coin as Toshi. With the Toshi Mart flywheel now live, every token launch pushes buy pressure directly into Toshi. This isn't just another meme, it's infrastructure, culture, plus liquidity in one. Shiba had 2021, Bonk had 23, and 2025 belongs to the little blue cat known as Toshi. The Toshi team works in mysterious ways. You can see, right? Because they literally might have a potential collaboration with Coca-Cola coming out, guys, and that is going to be monumental. Toshi, higher soon, finally breaking out of an 8-month consolidation. This isn't just a meme coin, guys. This is literally turning into a worldwide brand. You can see the community is just ultra bullish on this. Toshi pulling in big numbers today. Binance Alpha getting $2 million in volume in the last 24 hours. I think a global spot listing is inevitable at this point, fam. Listen, Toshi fam, you guys are crushing it and you deserve every bit of what you're getting right now. I'm excited to see where this project is going to go. Billions of dollars, in my opinion, are programmed into this. If you guys think any different, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, guys.